What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we had our dip right into that 4,600 level Friday's low and held last end of the last like 15 minutes, really 5 minutes, had a massive squeeze to the upside. We knew that this 4620 level was going to be also an area of resistance as well. So building out now within our bigger balance range, right? Within this bigger balance range, we are building out this smaller balance range, right? If we can see it here now, right? So we know we have AMD earnings tomorrow. What else do we have tomorrow? Really quickly on the docket. Tomorrow morning, pre-market data. We have, excuse me, not pre-market data. We have 15 minutes in. We have the US global manufacturing PMI. We also have the JOLTS job data. That is all coming 30 minutes after market open. Really quickly, I want to make sure that that is on tomorrow. Yes, okay. That's what I thought. So yeah, we have 6:45 data. Excuse me, 9:45 data. Excuse me, 9:45 data. We have the U.S. Manufacturing PMI. Then we have some construction spending, manufacturing employment, new job orders, JOLTS data here. As you can see, that comes in 30 minutes after market open, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you want to pay attention there. Other than that, nothing really that's going to move the market. AMD is tomorrow after hours. Looking forward to them reporting. I think that'll be big for the chip sector. To see, we saw we saw what Nvidia did. And I'm not saying they're going to do the same thing, but I think people are rather excited for AMD. We have Apple and Amazon coming. Apple and Amazon coming after market close on Thursday. So big blue chips this week. So definitely something to look out for. But we're in this little balance range here now on ES, right? Pretty much 4,600 all the way up to 46, call it 4,620, right? So I need this break and hold over 4,620, 4,625, which we could see we had this huge reject from with supply, which took us 2 hours to go down pretty much, 80 points, right? Almost 80 points, call it 60 points. I'm sorry, I can't do math. That's 4620 down to 4560. My apologies. 60, 70 points, whatever, right? So I do think if we get underneath this 45, 4595, 4600 area, watch for the bounce at 4590, but ultimately I think these lower levels all the way even down to 4560 could get tested. So this will be an area on watch tomorrow. 4598, 4595, 4600 break and hold. Do we stay another day in the bounce there? I have no idea. Break and hold above 4620 though. Look to see if we can target that 4635 above. Their SPY chart going to look really similar to the ES chart here. Why? It's a cash ETF of the S&P 500 futures. We are having a lot of accumulation, or excuse me, a lot of consolidation here with the TTM squeeze. If anyone follows that, TTM squeeze just measures areas of consolidation, like we said. Right, this 458 level was going to be a one to mess with. As we can see, lots of balance in here. We're kind of getting above here now to Friday's high, 458, what, 16-ish area was Friday's high. If we get above there, watch 459 is where we rejected from the most part. So 458.50 above here. If we can clear that, I think it's 459.50, and then 462 is above 460. If we want to get up there, do we break out before the big blue chip earnings of Apple and Amazon on Thursday? I have no idea. We're just going to play the chart. Not our heart. Like this 456 bounce zone that we had from the pre-market low there, but I do like 455 a little better for a bounce. Under 455, I do think we can make it all the way down here to this 452 area that we have seen, which is the bottom of this balance zone, right? That we have come down and touched a couple times now. Come on. Yep, have come down and touched a couple times here. It's this 452 area. So underneath 455, possible small short. I would take it very light if you did at 455. It's very much counter trend. You need a break and hold and like a lower high underneath it, like break underneath this 455, back tested here, right? And then get down lower and target pretty much 453, 452. Take it a point at a time down there because I just counter trend for the most part, but break and hold above this 458.50 opens up 459.50, 462 above there. QQQ, what's going on with tech? Tech has blue chip earnings. Do we just keep going sideways? As we can see, we knew that this big level within here of the 384, we went right up to it this morning, rejected, and went sideways all day long. So are we going to keep continuing that? So watch this 484 excuse me, 384.50, 384.50 to get taken out to the upside. If that does get taken out, I really just think it's going to be this 387.98 area will just easily get flipped up to. Will get taken out again, right? So call it 387.50, 387.50 above there. It's going to be 390, 393 above there. If you do get below, if we get below this 382-ish level, as we can see this pre-market low, I'm more of a bounce guy on Qs here. I think I saw SPY you could short, but I really just like the bounce at 380 and 378 respectively. Underneath 378, underneath 380 to down to 374, you could take a short. It is a little sketchy. It's kind of like the 352 or 452 on SPY, but we do have multiple touches down here from 374 to 375. So I would be looking for a bounce down there. You could take a sneaky short entry under 380. This is Friday's low, right? Friday's low, opening low pretty much at under 380. Watch 378 though. You want to be out before 375 comes. Most definitely. If not, wait for the bounce 375. I like 375 for the bounce. IWM been strong as an ox, baby. Strong as an ox. Let me go to the 4 hour here. We are just basing. It's just basing, stair step, basing, stair step, basing, stair step, basing. Right? Look at this thing. Now it's right up here to that 190, excuse me, 199, going right up here to 199. So let me just zoom back in here. I like to go back down to the 1 hour. That's the 30-minute, not the 1 hour. That's the 1 hour. Don't screw it up. Thank you very much. Okay, look, break and hold above 199, 202, 205 above there. Okay, any back test into this little, now if we've broken out of this double top here, right? You would think 198 could hold. 198 could hold here. You want to see that 198 area hold, but if we get below it, 196.50 is your bounce, 193.50 below there. Both bounce areas break and hold 199, 202, 205 above there. And other than that, guys, that's all I got for you. You got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.